have to have the body language and the facial expression.
Why you touch my fa? Why no? Why man?
Yes, you're in a trouble there. Yeah, trouble there, you GWAAN.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can't find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, you guys already know what this is about. Jamaican Patwa 101. If you guys didn't know, I am Jamaican. It's obvious, quite obvious, but if you guys didn't know, I'm Jamaican, born and raised. I am currently living in Florida. I've been here for 8 years, so I'm still fresh. I don't know, am I still fresh? 8 years? You think 8 years is fresh? I think 8 years is fresh. It's a little fresh. But are you guys ready? Are you guys feeling my bun? My two little bun? Are you guys feeling it? So all these years I thought Patwa was just broken English. It is actually a combination of English, French, and various West African languages, Spanish and many others. It's like a lot of different languages in one. So basically, Jamaican patois came into existence during slavery, when the slaves were denied use of their native tongue and was forced to learn English. So mainly patois was used back in slavery, so slaves could communicate without the slave masters understanding what they were saying. And then it was passed down from generations to generations. That's why it is so unique. Alright, so the first one is Wagwan. Everybody should know that. If the President Barack Obama know Wagwan, everybody must know that.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
So Wagwan basically mean what's going on, what's up. It's just the way Jamaicans greet each other. Wagwan bakan. The next one is Gwe. Gwe means go away. For example, where you touch me for Gwe no? Why are you touching me? Go away. Oh, and as you can see while I'm speaking Patwa, I have the body language and the facial expression. They all come together. You have to have the body language and the facial expression. Why you touch me for? Gwe no? Gwe man, just a touch man. Stop touch man. Go away. Go away. Stop touching me. The next one is rotted. It's just an expression. For example, you forgot about something and then 2 days later you remember and you're like, rotted. I forget to me have the glass in the freezer. That's a weird example. Glass in the freezer? How Americans would be like, oh, S-H-I-T, we say rotted. The next one is Ben. Ben basically means upset. You vex. Vex or upset about something. So you Ben. My youth, my Ben dog. I can't believe I missed the appointment. My Ben right now because I missed my appointment. I'm upset right now because I missed my appointment. Wrong time now for talk to me, call Ben. Alright, too much body language. So the next one is come here. That's easy. Come here. That's so easy. It means come here. Come here. Alright, so this next one, I don't like to call the Lord's name in vain. I don't like it. But this next one is Lord God. I personally don't say Lord God. Any of my Jamaican friends that I text, they can tell you that I always write Lord G. Instead of writing out G-O-D, I'll just write G. Most Jamaicans say Lord God and I call out the Lord's name in vain. I don't like it. Just like how Americans say OMG, oh my God. Lord G, I told them I did forget on a fishy yard. Fishy? Who is fishy? Who is fishy? So the next one is where you go. Where you go? It means where are you going? So you hear that? Where you go. where are you going? We basically just shorten the words. Where ya go? We don't say the whole going or where. Where are you? We say ya. Instead of saying are you, we say ya. Where ya go? You get it? It's not hard to learn. It's really not hard to learn. The next word is fluffy. So fluffy can mean thick. I don't like to fat shame people or call people fat, or you know, I don't like to do those things, but fluffy means fat girls, thick girls, girl will just look thick and round up and nice, so we call them fluffy girls. It's not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't mean anything bad. My girl, they look fluffy and nice. Come over here, let me get to know you, know. Alright, so this next one, fish. I am not against anybody and their decision in life. LGBT, I am not against anyone. You live how you want. But in Jamaica, you know how that's a big thing. Like if you're like in the LGBT community, it's a big thing. I don't want to go too deep in that, but I'm not against it. If you're in the LGBT community, they call you fish, batty boy. Yeah. The next one is frost. Frost basically mean you're drunk or you're high, you're at a party and you drink too much, or I feel drunk, I feel frost. So that's how frost comes in. Feel like a frost box. Light up it. Hey, light up it. Hey. The next one is leave me alone. Leave me alone means leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone now. Love me now. Love me now. Ease off of me now, man. Love me now, man. Just go on your ways. Go on. Love me. Love me alone now. Leave me alone. The next word is gallus. Alright, if you're a male living in Jamaica and you have a lot of females, like you're in relationships with a number of females, they usually call that male gallus because him have a bag of girls. So my youth, yeah, a real gallus, pop off your shoulder. Yeah, gallus. Next word is zine. Alright, for example, how would I use zine in a... Alright, someone tell you something and you're like, oh, zine? Just like how in America they would say, oh, true? Oh, really? Oh, for real? So in Jamaica we say, oh, zine? Zine? Zine. So the next one is do your thing. Do your thing means do your thing. Just like how in America they would say, or different, it's not only in America, but because I live here I say how people say in America, in different countries too, but how you would say do you, boo, do you. If you're in a relationship and your partner tell you, say, do your thing. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. That's not good. Don't do your thing. Handle your business. Do your thing. Do your thing. The next one is waste man. If you're in Jamaica and someone call you waste man, means you're a bum. You're just worthless. So they call you your waste man. Stop going like you're a little picnic. Stop going like you're a waste man. Stop going like you're immature, man. This next one I use a lot. If you tell you, you're agreeing with what the person is saying. So you're agreeing like, I'm telling you. Like someone says something to you and you're like, if you tell you, I agree with what you're saying. That's what basically what if you tell you means. I'm always texting them if you tell you with friends. This next one is easy now. Just easy now means chill, relax, just easy. Someone a flare up and a go on the most way, just tell them just easy, just easy now. It's not that serious, easy yourself. This next one is dash my way. Dash my way is if you haven't seen someone in a long time or heard from them in a long time, you would say, oh, you dash my way, meaning, oh, I haven't heard from you in a while, you forgot about me, you just threw me out of your mind, it just dash me way over. So this next one is my youth. My youth means my brother, my friend, my sister. You just say my youth. Youth is youth. My youth, what going? My friend, what's up? So the next word is yardie. I'm a yardie. So what yardie means is if you're from Jamaica living in America and you see another Jamaican here in America and you hear them talking, you hear that Patwa, you're like, oh, yeah, yardie, yardie, Jamaica you come from. So we call Jamaica yard, backyard, back home, yard. We as Jamaicans are yardie. I hope I'm explaining everything right. Hopefully it all makes sense to you. Any questions? Comment down below. The next one is things are GWAAN. Things are GWAAN. I have a friend that always say that. Things are GWAAN. Meaning good things going on for you. So if someone say, oh, things are GWAAN for you, you got promoted at your job or something, things are GWAAN, good things going on for you. So you say things are GWAAN. The next one is no bother me. No bother me means don't bother me. I know all Jamaican kids heard that from their parents. Stop bother me, no bother me. Go on, go find something to do and no bother me, you know. Go on, go find something to do and no bother me. Alright, you're now gonna like what come next. Go on. So the last one is brata. Brata means extra. For example, say you bought 2 snacks, I don't know, or 2 candies or something, and when you check the bag you saw like 2 extra snacks, candies, whatever. That's what Jamaicans call brata, the extra. And the lady at the store, nice store, she give me brata on top of my buy. Nice lady. So brata basically means extra, extra, extra. That's it for this video, and if you want me to do a part 2, comment down below, let me know. And if there's anything in English that you would want me to translate for you, you can also comment down below and I'll translate it for you. I'm gonna come back with a part 2 and make it more spicy. When I come back with a part 2, I want company. I don't want to do it by myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Show it to your friends that want to learn a little Patwa. Please hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.